Welcome back to Cabin View Firewood. So today we're doing a whole lot of mulch. It's time to get all these flower beds around the house fixed up. Let's see if we can rock this on here. Usually does the trick. Get the trailer hooked up. Gonna head down to the garden shop, and I think I'm gonna pick up like 6 yards of mulch. That should be just enough to get all of our flower beds fixed up. Okay, ready to go. All right, just got back from picking up the mulch. We ended up getting 6 yards. So this trailer, 7x14, 14K dump trailer, it'll hold 8 yards comfortably without the sides on it. So we got 6 in there, which will be plenty for what we're gonna do today. And then in the back of the truck, we've got some plants. We've got some new edging, and we've got some new landscape fabric. So these flower beds around the house we have not touched in about 2 years, so they are quite a mess. So what we're gonna do, we've got a couple out front, there's one on the other side, and then along this side of the house, we're gonna just tear everything out of here. Everything but the good plants is coming out. All the old mulch, all the old landscape paper. We're gonna redo all this all along this side here. This stuff becomes a huge mess if you really don't touch it up every year, especially when you live in the woods. So all this edging I just put in is aluminum. It's 4-inch edging. This is Curve Right 2000 series. I've seen it in black. I've seen it in bronze. Goes in really easy. They link together really nice. There's a little track where you can slide them into each other, so they connect nice and secure. Each piece is 8 feet long. I think these are 8 feet long. And you put 5 spikes in per piece. Now this stuff isn't cheap. Yeah, these are 8 feet long. So the front of this bed, I've got 4 pieces hooked together. There's little slots where the spikes go. So this stuff, like I said, it's not cheap, but it goes in really easy. It looks really nice, and this will hold up for a long time. And these things are made in the USA. Curve Right 2000 series. So I just wasn't something I was planning on doing when we were going to redo these beds, but we saw it, we liked it, and decided to give it a try. I'm glad we did. So I think this stuff will hold up for quite a while. That's you.
Are you leveling it now?
Yep, smoothing it out.
I'm gonna go back over to this one. I was like pulling the stuff out. Mom wanted me to do that. And that's right.
I think this side turned out pretty good. We'll do a little touch up to the yard, but that edging, getting all those that whole old bed torn out of there, looks way different. All right, it is day 2, and I just have this side to finish off. So I've already got this bed cleaned out and time to put in the edging. I think I have just enough to get this job done. So let me put a couple more of these together, and then we'll be ready to throw some mulch in here. These things go together super easy. So just like that, they have a little notch that they each slide into. And then I've got a little 2-foot section here. I had to cut this one, so hopefully this goes together okay. There it goes. All right. That should be perfect. So we're going to take one of our stakes, we'll set this end piece, and then we'll go back. just get that one started. Let's do this one too. Since this is the end of the main piece. Right into a rock. It's pretty typical around here. That should be just fine. All right, next thing we're gonna do is throw some fresh landscape paper in here. All right, that is gonna wrap up this project. So the side is done. The front is all done. I think they turned out great. And we have another one down by the road also, similar to this flower bed here. So this was like one of those once every 5-year projects. You know, you don't always need to completely clean out these flower beds, but it's been a while. And when you use good mulch like this, it breaks down and turns into really nice soil, and then you just get a lot of weed growth. And really the only way to fix it is just tear all that stuff out of there, get some fresh landscape paper down, and then redo everything. So this should hold up for quite a while. Hopefully another 5 years. I'd be pretty happy with that. All right, guys, that is going to wrap things up for this project. I appreciate you all being here, and I will see you on the next one.